Hello and welcome back to another vlog. So this one's a little bit different. This one is just a bit of a recap on my reading obsession of late. So to give you a little bit of context, I used to be an obsessive reader when I was little, so in my teens. And then so backstory, when as a teenager, I would go to the library. And back where we were, it was a small town and the library was only open a few days of the week. So mom or dad would take me and we would borrow, I think you could borrow like 2 or 3 books a week or something like that. And so I would always go and borrow a couple of books and then I would read them pretty much in like, I think like 300-400 page a book. I would probably read it like 2.5 days or so. And if it's a really good book, I would pretty much stay up the whole night and read. And I used to absolutely love it. My mom and dad and my brother, all big readers. And a lot of my traits come from my dad. And he shared his books with me as well as I was growing older. And so I would read a lot. So my favorite author of all time that I really enjoyed was Sidney Sheldon. I absolutely thoroughly enjoyed his books. And I think I might have read pretty much all of those books. But I kind of want to go back and reread them because it's been so long. It's probably been over 20 years without giving away my age. But yeah, avid reader, moved to the States after, and obviously life took over, work, uni, and just didn't get a chance. But I tried to get back into it. I bought a Kindle at the time and I tried and it just didn't work. And yeah, like life just continued happening up until fast forward to last December when we went on a break. And then all of a sudden I was seeing all these short stories being recommended to me on Facebook. And I just all of a sudden got back into it. And then I started reading more. And then I had a chat, like once we went back to work, I had a chat with one of my colleagues and she told me how much of an avid reader she was. And so we started exchanging books, well, mainly her giving me books and stuff, and I absolutely thoroughly enjoyed. So I will go into a little bit of a summary on the books that I've read since December, but also I picked up a new Kindle. If you watched one of my previous vlogs, I actually got a Kindle for my brother. It's a really old one. It's a 2013 model, I think, that he gave me, which is a Paperwhite edition as well. But he gave me his Kindle and I was like, I told myself if I read at least 10 books by my birthday, then I'm going to get a Kindle for my birthday. And initially I was just going to get it for myself. And then I was like, okay, well, you know, it can be something that my husband gifts me. I was like, I'll make it easier for him. But anyways, my birthday is not until April 19th. It's the 26th of March. And I couldn't resist. I've read more than 10 books. I couldn't resist. And also, I had gift cards that I really wanted to use. So out of pocket, I think I'm like $100 or something because I had $200 in gift cards and I had more, but I was like, you know what? I'll use that for something else. Anyways, let's unbox my Kindle. I'm so excited. Ooh, but I gotta take a photo first. I also got a case and I'm not sure if it's the right one, but yeah, we'll see. Let's open it up. I'm so excited. Okay. I'm like a little kid right now in a candy store. I do have phone interviews that I need to do, but anyways. Oh, look at it. Oh, this is satisfying. I'm such a kid. So there it is. This is a USB-C one, thank goodness. Love that. This might be the cable. Yep, it's got the cable. I've got enough USB-C cables between my iPad and an additional one here that I got from my husband, never used, but that's pretty much it in the box. And then this is the case. Try it out. So I like the feel of a book, and so I didn't get just like the back cover or something like that. I got like an actual, like a case like that. The one that my brother gave me, his was just a Kindle by itself, but I ordered a similar case for that one as well. But the good thing with this, which the other one doesn't have, is this little contraption here, which is elastic, and you can actually hold it this way if you want to, so that I really like. I missed that in the other one. I didn't think it was important, but apparently it was. Oh, It is a rubber case at the back. Oh, this is, yay! This is so good. This is so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm going to power it on. So that is just there. And that's turning on. I did ask it to link to my account, so let's see if that works. But I think I would need to connect it to Wi-Fi and stuff. So I'm conscious of time. We'll go for English. Next. Oh, it is not either one of them. So in terms of my region, let's go back. All right, English. In terms of my region, it's only giving me UK or US. I am partial to the US, so I'll be selecting that. I don't know if that's going to have any impact on the way it is set up. It'll be interesting to see. This is much bigger than what I currently have. It's really nice. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to get started on a book as well. Yep, I have a call in 15 minutes. Okay, cool. So it's saying, hi Vidhi, welcome to your new Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition 11th generation. You're logged in and connected to yada Wi-Fi that I previously used on Amazon. It's asking me if I want to use a different account. Nope, those details are relevant. That stays. Be part of the world's largest community of book lovers on Goodreads, recommendations from readers like you, create an account using an Amazon login or sign in. I think I'm going to do that last. I feel like I already have an account that I can use, so I'm going to leave that as is. So I think because I'd chosen the link setup, it's done pretty much everything for me. So it's saying Kindle Unlimited, unlimited reading, listening on any device. Enjoy the freedom to explore millions of titles and thousands of audiobooks on any device. By joining Kindle Unlimited, you agree. Again, I think I might actually think about that because I want to, like, if my husband's getting it, I don't know, I might actually end up getting it. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah. Cool, so I think my books and stuff have come in the background, but it's saying introducing the Kindle experience. So quick access to settings, tap or swipe down quickly to access controls like airplane mode. Oh, so you can swipe down, I didn't know that. Home library and current reading. The cover for your most recently read content will appear here. Tap on the cover to continue reading. Scroll left and right, so swipe left on the cards like this one to see more books and content. Swipe right to go back. So like that. Scroll left. Anyway, whatever. So next. Quick scrolling. Navigate by tapping or dragging or holding the trackpad of the scroll bar. Cool. Done. So there are some of my books there, but I'll get into the details fairly soon. I need to get back to work. But this is exciting. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, you guys have no idea. This is really, oh, it's got 61% of battery. I think that might be enough. The other one also dies a little bit quicker. But yeah, it served me well for the little amount of time that I had. And I cannot wait to get into it. Alrighty, so stay tuned into the books that I've read and why I liked them or why I didn't like them.